We begin our Krispy Kreme coffee talk with something pretty sweet. Crumbl cookies, flavors of the week. Shouldn't we have some kind of fanfare or something to go along with this? Every Monday, Great Day reveals the 4 flavors, that's 4, that you can get. There you go.
Ask and you shall receive. And let's go Blues.
There are 4 flavors you can get at Crumbl Cookies in De Pere and Cottleville. Are you ready for this week's flavors?
Yes.
Drum roll, please. This week you can pick up the following specialty flavors. There's the chilled Andes mint, s'mores, gingerbread cake, Nutella sea salt as well, plus the regular flavors, milk chocolate chip, which I love, and chilled sugar. Crumbl Cookies offer both contactless delivery and curbside options. Their stores also will remain open for socially distanced takeout orders. Crumbl Cookies is located in De Pere and in Cottleville. The phone number for each location is right there on the screen in front of you. We'll give you older folks, like myself, another moment or two to write those down. For you younger kids, you can visit them on your interwebs at Crumbl, that's CRUMBL.com. And they are some good cookies.
Let me just tell you something. You weren't here last week. One of the 4 flavors last week, cookies and cream. I don't mean to go all Dr. Phil on you, but it'll change your life.
Yeah, is that right?
Oh, it was so good.
Yeah.
It had frosting on there like it was a cake.
I got to tell you, though, just their regular chocolate chip
Pretty good.
are to die for. They really are good.